Here's the first two people at Chickasaw Garage, Ed Rindler and Charlie Hilsman, okay? My father, he worked here for 65 years. He worked for both of them, and then the Rindlers and the Hilsmans separated, and so then that's when Dad stayed with the Rindlers. I'm the second generation, 50-some years, whatever, I'm 70. I retired in 2020, and I started hanging around here when I was 5 years old, so you can play the math. Ed, as you met earlier, he's the third generation, same thing. He started hanging around here as 5. Jackson's the fourth generation, and he started hanging around here at 5. There's something with that. The building here was built in 1881. Originally at one time it was Swinging Door Saloon in the old Miami Erie Canal era. Garage has been here since '34. Let's go up front here where, up front here is where the Swinging Door Saloon part was. There was a fire when I was fire chief, 88 I think it was. It was like 10 more minutes. I was going from offense to defense. Little Christian part about it right here. There's a plastic rosary hanging. The fire marshal was here. There was 4 flashovers. A flashover is when the temperature gets higher than 1500 degrees. The rosary never melted. The technology of the world is just always changing in this industry. Right offhand, I remember when we changed some of it, but a lot of it in the 80s when computers start buying stuff. I just remember going to school and they said we'd have a computer out in the shop someday. I said, nah, not in Chickasaw, Ohio, but yeah, we have unmounted computers out here. Everything is done with tablets, not paperwork anymore. A little bit of it, it's in your blood. Enjoyed doing it, enjoyed it all my career, and now it's going on to the 4th generation. It's a great moment being family owned. It's a great feeling.